To stitch the left and right eye together, I'll open VR180Creator and choose Stitch Videos. By default, Zcam labels the left eye with a 0001, so I'll drag that here, and the right eye with a 0000, so I'll drag that here, and click Import. Now you can see that the two fisheye images here will be converted into equirectangular. Under Settings, make sure your input camera profile is correct. I shot this footage at 30 frames per second. Since Premiere version 2018 and Final Cut Pro don't have native 180 workflows, you'll need to convert this video to 360 by choosing Top Bottom and 360 Video. I don't want to choke my computer, so 5760 by 5760 will be fine, since my original footage is 2880 square. Your footage may take longer to convert to DNxHR, but it will play back more smoothly while editing, so that's something to consider. I'm just going to choose H.264. You will probably find that standard quality is good enough, but it's up to you. At this point, I can add more videos or export.